Hello and welcome to a tutorial for our Symbiotic Publisher Content Management System. We know managing posts can be overwhelming, but don't worry, we're here to help. In this video, we'll guide you step by step through the process of effective post management. We understand the challenges you face, and we're committed to making it easier for you. Let's work together to create amazing content that truly resonates with your audience. To access your posts, simply click on the Posts link located within your account menu. The Manage Posts section offers several features to help you organize your posts. These include a link to create a new post, a search box with a category selection dropdown to help you narrow down your search, a variety of ways to sort the display of your posts, the total number of posts created, and finally, a list of all posts. Let's say you want to create a new post. Just go back to the top and click on the Create a New Post link. Once you're there, you'll see a link to go back to Manage Posts, and a link to use the Advanced Editor, which we'll cover in another video. The first thing you need to do is select one or more categories that your new post belongs to. It's important to note that if you select a child category, there's no need to select the parent category as well because the system automatically selects the parent for you when submitting the post. You can select categories by clicking on the checkbox or the category name itself. Add a title. There is a 150-character limit. Add a short description. There is a 300-character limit. We usually use the first few sentences of the post content or a description of what the post is about. Add a few keywords. This is a comma-separated list of keywords with a 220-character limit. The first keyword is known as the targeted keyword and is the most important one. This should be what the main topic of your post is about. The second and third keywords should be a sub-subject that is related to the main topic. Other good keywords to include are people names, places, dates, and events. Keywords should be no more than 3 to 5 words to help with search engine optimization. Add some content. I will paste some previously copied content for this demonstration within the post content area. Now, let's add some style to our content. Add HTML bold tags to a few words or phrases to make them stand out better to your readers. Select the words that you would like to be bold and simply click on the bold button at the top of the content area. Repeat this process throughout all of your post content. You can click on the magnifying glass icon button located at the bottom right under the content field to preview how it will be displayed to your visitors at any time while creating your post. Add HTML italic tags to show emphasis or contrast to a particular part of your content. Select the words that you would like to be italic and simply click on the italic button at the top of the content area. Repeat this process as needed. Add HTML break tags to separate paragraphs. Click on the break button at the top of the content area. You will need to use 2 break tags between each paragraph in order for them to display correctly. You can also just use 1 break tag for creating a list of items to be displayed 1 line at a time. You can add indentations at the beginning of each paragraph by using the space button. We usually add 3 of these elements followed by an empty space by pressing the spacebar on your keyboard. Now, let's add an image to our post content. First, find the location within your content where you would like your image to appear, and click on that area to place a text cursor. Go to the bottom of the content field and click on the Uploads button to open up the Uploads pop-up window. Select or create a new folder for where you would like to upload your image. Click on the Choose File button to browse for your image, and once you have opened it, click on the Upload File button to upload it. As soon as your image has finished uploading, click on the wrench icon beside it or the file name itself to get to the Setup section. Once there, change the width to 100% to make the image responsive to all screen sizes and click on the Create Image Code button. This will close the pop-up window automatically and insert an HTML image tag where you placed the text cursor previously. Click on the magnifying glass icon button located at the bottom right under the content field to preview how your image will be displayed. You will notice that the image does not have enough space underneath. We can fix it by closing the preview window and adding 2 break tags below. Preview your post again to see the change. We inserted the image to fit 100% of the content area. Let's change it to 25% and align it to the right. To do so, we'll first remove the image tag and place your mouse cursor where you would like your image to be displayed. I'll place it at the beginning of the post and click the Uploads button. Locate your image file and click the wrench button. Change the width to 25%, alignment to right, margin to 10, and click the Create Image Code button. Preview your post to see how the image will be displayed. If you need to add links to other posts, pages, or external websites, highlight the text you would like to use as a link, click the chain link icon button located at the top of the content area and paste a URL. Click OK, leave the target set to blank and click OK to insert an HTML link tag. Preview your post again to see the link. Upload a post icon. You can add a 75 by 75 pixel image thumbnail to your post that will be displayed in most places where a list of posts appear, like the home page and the latest posts page. A default image will be used if one is not provided. With miscellaneous settings, you can choose to allow comments, publish, or feature your post. Publish as lets you choose a different user to display as the publisher of this post if it is not you. If you would like to password protect a post, uncheck Publish from within the Miscellaneous Settings section and create a password of your choosing. This feature will allow you to create a private post that only visitors with the URL and password can access. After you have finished creating your new post, please proceed by clicking on the Create Post button to save it. Following this action, a link will be provided to allow you to preview your post in a new window or to carry out any necessary edits. You have reached the conclusion of our tutorial on post management, and we hope it assists you in creating exceptional content for your audience. Thanks for watching.